Hey everybody, it's Neil and I got a new puppy and I got this automatic cat dog feeder with 5G Wi-Fi. So I'm trying to get my dog on a schedule so she eats at the same time every day. So then I'll know when she goes to the bathroom and everything 'cause we're trying to potty train. But and I'm here all the time anyway, but I keep forgetting to get it the exact time. So this is going to give me that ability to do it. So let's check out this thing here. I'm going to aim you guys down a little bit so you can see it as I unbox it. And we can see all the pieces and parts that it connects with. So looks like this will be a little decadent or something like that place where you can put the drier stuff in it. Here is the little bowl. Here's the silica gel. I think that's what's going to go inside of that little box. Here is a USB adapter for it. Here's a wire. Okay, and then let's see, how do we get this off of here? I'm not sure. There we go, like this. So then this is going to go like that. So that's going to be how it looks, and this will be how it plugs in. What does it say here? It says when assembling, align here. Well, I did, so we already got it right. And the plug will plug in here. It looks like we could also, instead of using the plug, we have the ability to use 3D batteries. And then our food will go in here. The bowl will attach here. And then we have our buttons here. So we have a set button. I don't know what these are. Oh, I can see it's feeding right now. Oh, it's rotating. Okay, so let's read the manual here and see how we set this thing. So I have an iPad. I'm going to try to connect it with that. So let's first we're going to want to install the app for it, which is on the front cover. Okay, and here we go. We're going to say iOS download. Confirm with the button. Okay, so we are now installing the app for it. It looks like this is going to be the top here, so and it kind of clips on with this. It looks like it's got these little puller things here, so the dog won't, even if he knocks it over, she knocks it over, the food won't come out. So there we go. Let me just do a quick wipe down of it here. Get everything kind of cleaned up a little bit. And dry. Okay. And here we go. We're going to allow it to use our location. Sure, it can send me notifications. We will sign up. Excuse me. Okay, it sent me a verification code to my email. It's loading my verification code. Okay, so now we can say we'll try to do add a device, and it said discovering devices. It found our device, so we are going to now connect it to our network. Oop, that's not the network we want. Let me change my network here. Try this again. Okay. Okay, so now we are connecting to our network. It says it's being added to our 5G network. You can kind of see there. So we'll see how this goes. Okay, we are added. So now I can go into my device and see, so I can change my different feedings and I can change my meal plan and everything in here. You haven't created any schedule yet. So I can say I want to start feeding at, say, 7 a.m. maybe? Let's say 7 a.m. every day. Oops, I guess every day. Feed number 1. So save. Okay, so now we have feed number 1. And then I want to save it to 6. That would be 18 o'clock. 18, save. So that's feed number 2. So we have our 2 feedings. And then we can, our meal plan, oh, that is our meal plan. Okay, cancel that. Let's see if we can figure this out here. Feed record. Okay, we haven't fed yet. And then I guess we can edit our different settings in here. We'll have to figure out all the settings and things like that, but let's just try this for fun. We're just going to say feed. Oh, feed 1. And there it is. It's feeding. I can hear it going. Let's put some food in here and see what happens. Okay, so let's say I had food in here, and we're going to try another feeding. I hear it going down. Okay, so it must be loaded now. Look at that, and there's a feeding. So how cool is that? So that's cool. So I'm gonna have to set this up with all my scheduling and how the quantity and everything. That's probably not enough for my doggy, but you get the idea. So this is super cool. I like it. Thumbs up.